Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and verification. Put on chemical-resistant gloves and goggles and work with windows open or outdoors. Metal out fumes can irritate. Once done, lay down a tray or cardboard to catch drips and protect surfaces. Next, test the product on a small, hidden area for 1 to 5 minutes so you can confirm compatibility. This avoids damage. Make sure to read the label, because concentration and recommended dwell time vary by material and stain severity. You apply metal out precisely where needed. Use a small brush or spray bottle to saturate the stain evenly, avoiding surrounding materials. Then let it work for the label recommended time, typically 5 to 15 minutes. During that interval, check progress and agitate with a soft brush if particles or rust loosen. If you see bubbling or color change, that's normal. It indicates chemical action. Make sure to rinse the treated area thoroughly with water to stop the reaction and remove residues. You finish by neutralizing the surface if the product instructions call for it, then dry and inspect under good light to confirm stain removal. Once done, repeat the treatment cycle one more time for stubborn spots, or use a fine abrasive pad carefully for mechanical removal. Always test first. If discoloration or surface damage appears, stop. Try a mild neutralizer like a diluted baking soda solution in a hidden area, and consult a professional if unsure. This prevents further harm.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.